What would you like to change next?
Mrs. President.
What easy comes, easy goes. Because of the session, guests, people invited, welcome to our club. What I don't really like is corruption. Corruption on politics, corruption on the corporation, corruption on the police guys, corruption in the industry. That's the thing that we must change. That's what I hate. The corruption is giving us a lot of problems and bureaucratic, also give us that kind of corruption when we go to Ministerio Público or Fiscalía, whatever it calls in English. And when we want to get one piece of paper or we want to get a divorce people or have a trial, the corruption is everywhere in Mexico. If I can change something in Mexico, will be the people are corrupt. I will put it like in China, hang those people as you imagine, and start to do those changes. Probably little by little, because some of the corruption is because it's bureaucratic. The other corruption is because the people, they want more money. And it's okay to make money, but it's not okay to get that money from the people that they need to be served. The people that work for the government, they must be servants or people that help people to do the paperwork or do whatever they need, but not for that kind of treatment of giving me money and under the table or whatever it is called, this kind of corruption. So that's why I'm not in politics, that's why I'm not a president, because probably I will kill some of them.